Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while, but here we are in the circuit of America. And this is pretty much cars and coffee. We're out here killing it, chilling it, out here being a villain. And we're looking at all the cars. Right now me and Jose are gonna go race. We signed a contract saying that if we die, that's not on them, but you know, it's all good though. Yeah, we live a quarter mile each day.
This is more than a quarter mile.
Oh, whatever.
We live a mile and a half all the time.
But we're here to have a good time. We woke up really early for this, and now it's about to end.
Not even.
Looks pretty good.
What time is it? Hell no, we got like 2 hours.
You know why he's trying to sell it? Because it has a bunch of problems.
Oh yeah, right, it's because it's a Beamer.
Yep.
You know what they say about Mini Coopers? They're also Beamer, that's why he's selling it as well.
Damn, 16,000.
Well, you gotta count for the seats. And because it's right-hand drive. So good. We're just vibing, watching the races. I hope you guys can hear us. It's really, really loud in here and really intense. But we're about to go up next.
Yeah, we're about to start racing the Lamborghinis, boy.
So right now we're going back to the car. We're gonna go pick it up and we're gonna freaking race. Boom! Piston right through your hood. Anyways guys, right now we're gonna go pick up a little Subaru and we're gonna go to the racetrack. I'm pretty stoked about this. I wish we could take my car, but my car is pretty fucked. You know what? I'm gonna take my car. I'm gonna take my car, bro. Right now we're going to the lineup and get lined up. Got a little edge up.
Let's see our opponents.
Oh, we got a limo? That's a big ass line. Jose, how long is this gonna take? Months? Weeks? Oh shit. Just to get one lap in? Holy cow, man. This is a lot of people. But you know what? Let me tell you something. I'm really excited about this. We're going to beat everybody. We're going to come first place.
They ain't ready for this. They're about to get lapped.
They ain't ready for the cop horn?
I'm about to pull them over.
There's a lot of people.
Go down there. Hey.
Alright guys, this is it. There's no turning back. We're here. We're gonna race. We're gonna go up that hill and we're gonna make a U-turn. We're lining up. I'm gonna throw up.
Bye-bye. That's it. Too soon, Junior. Next time we're playing 100.
Alrighty then guys, well that was pretty much it because it started pouring rain and they pretty much kicked us out. We had to pay more money for the full experience. We were able to do just one lap around and they kicked us out. They said thank you.
Yeah, thank you, bye.
So now we're gonna go get something to eat. It's pouring rain, so I really hope everybody drives safe because thunderstorm is this is real. I can't even see my car. But yeah guys, we're gonna be driving now. We're gonna be really careful, so we'll update you guys or see you guys later. Well guys, we made it home. I don't know how we made it home, but we're home and we're pretty slumped. It was super rainy. Now it's kind of just cleared up and everything, but we made it home. As you guys can see, I just been rubbing the whole way over there. I need to get in alignment really bad, as you guys can see, but you know what? We ain't gonna worry about that today. As for Cars and Coffee, it was a total success, way better than the first one since last year. Jose got featured on their page on that little race car thingy majiggy. You wanna show them? Oh, what? Yeah, that's right. Overall, it was such a good time. I had a great time. I got to see a bunch of cool cars, and so did Jose. And now we're pretty much slumped. Anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was probably not all that great to you because you didn't get to experience what we got to experience, but I hope that you guys enjoy it. I can't even talk. Anyways, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Woo!